What's up, YouTube? This is your man, Uncle Neffy, and we are back again with another bang. Make sure you go ahead on comment, like, subscribe, and share this video on the ice on my teeth. You know, this is baguettes. So, today we gonna get in on Daddy 85 Monte Carlo SS. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Check it out and stay tuned with Uncle Neffy. Here we are, gang. Let's get it. We're going to be filling up the rear end on this car. So anybody with a G-body, this is how you do it. Get you a 3/8 drive, and you're going to take that plug out and fill it up. So here we are with Uncle Neffy. Oh, my hair got caught. My hair. Oh, my hair. Here we are. This is Uncle Neffy. I don't know if y'all think it's a game or not, but this is what we do. So if you want to know how to learn on cars and do anything successful and positive in life, you better watch Uncle Neffy so you can learn the best way. So here we are, Neffy. Right now. We live. Right now. Here we are. Alright, Neffy gang. So here we are. In my bed, and here we are in my curly head. Here we are. This is what I love doing, laying underneath a car. Now, this is my rear end. You see the plug? Well, I took the plug out. And the plug, when I took it out, it's right here. Oh, my hair. My hair is right here. So, we took the plug out from right here now. Right here, 3/8. Get you a 3/8 drive, and you can remove this plug. This is a G-body. G-body. This is go with any vehicle though. Any of them. So, get your 3/8 drive, you remove that plug, Neffy. Got our Hyperlube bottle, and we got our 3/8 hose. You want to make sure your hose come down enough to catch one of these rabbits. You know, the Neffy hose trying to slip off of there, but he ain't getting nowhere without me. Nowhere without me. Alright, so we gonna slip him on down, and Neffy gang, we gonna look for our hole. Here we are, Neffy. This is how you fill it up, Neffy. Right here. Yeah. Put all of it until it starts running out there. And that's when you know your rear end is full, Neffy. This here is your Uncle Neffy. The bottle is full. Something getting in there. It's going in. Alright, Neffy. We gotta come up with a better solution. Here we are. Hyperlube. You know, sponsor me. Sponsor Uncle Neffy. Here we are. The Hyperlube. In the G-Riding 1985. Hey, we ain't trying to play with that. So Uncle Neffy gonna show you the quick way to do it. Old school, quick way. Never seen it with the right way. It's the go and quick way to get it done. So here we are. You get your half-inch tube. Half-inch tubing. Now you put it on your Hyperlube, Neffy. Your Hyperlube. All you gotta do is adjust your light. You got to adjust your light when you're blowing. So, you take your half-inch hose, you put it on there. You always wanna look for your grip point, Neffy. You gotta get your grip. You gotta get it where you grip. So, it look like we might be on it. Well, here we are, Neffy. We're trying to get it right now. We're trying it out right now. There's a baguettes on my teeth. Y'all see the hole? You see the hole, Neffy? So here we are. We're about to hit the hole right now. We're hitting it right now. Here we are, Neffy. See them baguettes? It is a little process that you gotta do. And that you have to go through. Gotta be patient. When you see it start leaking out, that's when you know you got enough influence. When it start leaking out. And just keep on squeezing till it start leaking. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Uncle Nephew gonna paint this car and everything. I want to do everything that needs to be done to this car. So you stick around with it. Nephew. You always want to protect any threads that you have to seal up for anything. Right now. So, with that being said, this is our plug and it's gonna screw that way. So, we want our hair to go that way. Nephew. I'm Uncle Nephew. I'm not watching I do it. I'm watching y'all. I think I might have a little drippage. Might be dripping. Here we are. Might be dripping. MrRandomIsHere.com. Oh, oh. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, comment, like, and share the listen nice on Mr. Random T. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, hell. Hair growing so long and getting caught on everything. Alright, gang. Here we are. We running out. Just like you want it to be. Look at that. Running out of there. So what we gonna do, we gonna go ahead on and put over nothing. Plug in the sweet tea and the dressing. Here we are. Alright, nothing gang. Here we are. We done got the fluid filled up enough so it's dripping out. And now we always gotta tighten up the plug. So here we are. Check us out. Right now. A 3/8 drive. That's all you need. 3/8. That's it. 3/8. Here you go. Hey, put it on your edge. Here you are, right here, nephew. This what we did. We done filled it up. It took almost 2.5 quarts, and we done put the air plug back in here. So, put your thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and like. And we gonna be back at it again with another Uncle Nephew. We are out of here. Thank you, gang.